Hi everyone, I'm Keshia and I'm here with QVC and I'm going to be showing you a super simple skincare routine. So if you don't have a skincare routine, these are your must-do steps. Step number 1, cleanse. So I'm just going to get my hair out of my face. Ready for my cleanser. So with most cleansers, you want to make sure that your face is damp before you put it on. Usually a little goes a long way. I'm using the Bare Minerals foaming cleanser. There are different cleansers on the market, but I really like the ones that foam. Okay, I think I've worked that into my skin enough now. So I'm just gonna rinse my face. So I remove most of the product with my hands and water, and I'm just gonna use my flannel to remove the rest. Voila. My skin feels great right now, I'm not gonna lie. Step 2 is to tone the skin. Now toners are really important because they remove excess dirt and they also help to minimize the pores. Today I'm going to be using an exfoliating toner, which is going to be really gentle on my skin and will help to get rid of any dead skin cells on my face, which is a lot more gentle than the traditional exfoliators. Now this toner is super easy because all I have to do is put my cotton pad on the top and push down. Then I just smooth it all over my face. And sometimes I like to put it on my neck as well because, you know, your neck needs a bit of TLC too. So the third step is to moisturize. I'm using a hydrating cream with essential oils because it's winter and my skin does tend to get a bit more dry. But even if you have oily skin and you don't think you need a moisturizer, you do, because everyone's skin needs hydration. I usually take my finger, dab it on all the points of my face, and then I know I've got enough. And then I just cream it into my skin. And don't forget about the neck. A simple skincare routine really is as easy as that. But if you want to up the levels, I'm going to be showing you some AM and PM additions. So these are some AM additions that everyone can benefit from. First, we're going to start with a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is great for the skin because it helps to even the skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and it gives everyone that amazing glow. And who doesn't want that? This one's super easy to use. Just take the pump, put it on my face, and then rub it in. And voila! Serums are super easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. You would just simply put it on before your moisturizer. And now we can't forget about an eye cream. Eye creams are amazing because they help to brighten the eye area and smooth out fine lines. I'm just gonna pop a bit on my finger. You really don't need a lot of eye cream. A little bit goes a very long way. And I'm just gonna smooth it under my eyes. This is a really good opportunity to give yourself a nice under eye massage. Now we're going to talk about our PM additions. The evening skincare routine is great because it gives you the opportunity to use treatments and layer up products without worrying about looking oily. Evenings are also great to take the time for some self-care. And I'm going to be using a face massager tool. And I will be using this with my serum. I'm using a hyaluronic serum, which is going to give my skin a lot of moisture. Now it's time for our treatment. It's really important to tailor your treatment to your skincare needs. For example, retinol is great for minimizing pores and fine lines and restoring firmness into the skin. And your treatment is the same as your moisturizer. So you just pop it all over the skin and then you just leave it on overnight for some much needed beauty sleep. Skincare can be super complicated, but that was my guide to keeping it simple. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. If you'd like to learn more about beauty basics, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any videos.